I was sent Cluenect for my review, and this game is so fun. So I'm going to try to explain to you. It is not difficult to play, but of course there's just lots of different things going on here. So this game is for 2 to 6 players, okay? So the way you're going to start out the game is these cards here. Let me show you the back. So these ones here, they just have the numbers on both sides. You're going to want to lay these out 1 to 6. And then you're going to put a picture card underneath them. It comes with lots of picture cards, and each of the picture cards are double-sided. So it doesn't matter which ones you put here, everyone is going to see this. So this is okay. They're just going to go there. And now everybody playing is going to get a color. They're going to get these cards, and really all that's on them is 1 to 6. So each player is a color. Okay, so everyone's going to have one of those. And so let's say I'm the dealer and I'm starting. So what I'm not really, it's not called the dealer, it's called the clue giver. So I am the clue giver. So basically I am going to look at all of these pictures, and I have to give everyone a clue, just one word, to try and figure out, to try and connect which one they think I am saying. So basically I look at these pictures, you get a couple minutes to think about it. So I'm just going to say Jack. And that is my clue. So then everyone's going to look at this and try and figure out which one is Jack. Like, how are we going to connect those? So then once I have figured out, like once I've given my clue, once I know which picture I'm going to take, so I'll tell you it is number 2 here. So I'm going with Jack Frost. So this is the number 2 card. So I am purple. So because I'm the clue giver, my number 2, I'm going to put that face down. So everyone knows that this is the card I'm picking. I'm picking number 2. Now everybody is going to go and they're going to pick so maybe someone was like, Jack, well, I don't know, is there kind of jackfruit ice cream maybe? And someone picked like the number 4. Everyone's going to take their guesses and they're going to flip them upside down. And then what we are going to do is everyone's going to go through and I'm going to flip over my card, and they're going to see that I picked number 2, and that I'm going to explain why. I'm like Jack Frost, the snowman, and then everyone's going to flip over their card. So I don't want the clue to be too easy. If everybody gets it right, as the clue giver, I get 0 points, okay? So I need at least one person to get it wrong. So let's say there are 6 of us playing, and 5 people are guessing. So if one person gets it wrong, but the other 4 get it right, I am going to get 4 points. So I still get some points because some person did get it right. But again, if everyone gets it right, I get no points. Every person that gets it right, they're going to get points as well. And then you just take turns being the clue giver. And then if you do get it right, everyone just takes a picture card, doesn't matter which one, and they put it in their pile. And that's how we keep track of the score. So then when it's the next person's turn, you're just going to come and you're going to randomly just put in more picture cards. As I said, it doesn't matter what is on here, and you can flip them, and then now the next person gets their turn to go and they do the exact same thing. They give a 1-word clue and we have to try and guess what it is, and you keep on going until there are no more picture cards. So whoever has the most cards in their pile, they are going to be the winner. So I think it's really fun because obviously, like you can play with all ages. You really have to think about it, and you have to kind of think, you don't want it to be too easy, but obviously you don't want it to be too hard as well. So it's really fun. I love how colorful everything is, and it is a really easy game to play, but it also gets you thinking, which is fun.